Ah, what a lovely day.
Yes, it is. We do have a lovely branch line.
Yes! Can't believe that we've been on this island for 90 years now.
A lot has definitely changed since then.
You are right about that. Well, I say these past 4 years have been eventful, but splendid nonetheless. Goodbye, Dwight, and goodbye, Michael.
Goodbye, Toby. Remember to keep your face out of your cowcatcher and you'll do okay.
And you stink, Dwight. Ha! Even on our last day together, you can't keep your cheek to yourself.
You're going to be a country tram now.
Don't worry, I'll try not to stink of manure.
Hello, you must be Toby. Glad you've come to help run our line.
Hello. I must say this place is a lot more rural than I expected. Is there much activity around here?
Well, there's the farms. That's enough activity to keep us busy.
I see. I was told there'd be passengers on this line. Are they pigs and chickens?
No, the passengers are the farmers and villagers. It's a small bunch, which is why you'll only have one coach.
My own coach, eh? That should be fun. Someone to talk to. Or order about. Ha!
I don't think so, mate.
Oh.
It'll be you under my strict orders, boy.
Yes, Toby, meet Henrietta.
Hello? I say, there is not much on this line at all. If it weren't for the rails, I'd say we were in medieval times. I mean, look, there's a blinking castle.
Oh, will you shut up? I think it's quite nice and peaceful. Or would be without you complaining.
I'm not complaining. I'm just not used to being in an area where people are practically non-existent.
You're just a stuck-up city tram.
And you're an annoying coach.
I see your first passenger run went pretty well.
Well,
Tomorrow, I want you to take some trucks.
Oh yes! Trucks!
Oh!
Come on, get moving!
All right.
That should be easy.
Careful with those trucks. They are notoriously badly behaved on Sodor.
Oh, don't worry. I used to love biffing them around on my old line. I know how to handle them. Hey! They don't work! Oh dear, we're toast! Well, this is a fine mess.
Well, Toby, it's obvious that you don't understand the trucks on this island.
Well, I guess not.
As it so happens, Henrietta has had a lot of experience with troublesome trucks on her old line. She will accompany you on your run tomorrow, and maybe she can show you how to handle trucks.
Ugh.
Well,
Don't you dare say I told you so!
let's just say it was your own ego that got the better of you. It's apparent that you were going too fast. Now then, let's get these trucks in order.
I'll say, they're much better behaved now.
That's what they want you to think. They're plotting to take us off guard.
On!
Oh, no, you don't! Brakes!
Oh!
Oh my goodness!
How dare you bump us! Fight back!
Keep calm, but firm.
Not again! I won't be a battering ram this time! You trucks will do as I say!
Well done. You're doing it.
Must keep control.
Ah! Hold back then! Hold back! Not in control now, are you?
Oh, yes, I am. Whoops.
Oh my goodness! I guess that will teach them a lesson.
Well, I suppose we're going to have to clean that up.
Toby, oh Toby, what will become of you?
Well, it seems the manager wasn't too happy.
But I can assure you, those trucks won't dare play any tricks now. They'd risk getting pulled to pieces.
Yes. Thank you for teaching me. Or, well, attempting to teach me. And I guess I'm sorry I was so rude.
It's alright. I've made bad first impressions too.
I have to say, this place is growing on me. It's so much more peaceful than the hustle and bustle of the docks where I worked with my brothers.
You have brothers? Oh, do tell me about them.
Well, I had many, but the closest two were Dwight and Michael. Michael was a very hard-working tram who was quite a perfectionist. He would always put the trucks in the exact same space and would go wild if the order was messed up. I'm afraid some of his organisational habits rubbed off on me. Dwight, on the other hand, was the opposite. He was a very snooty and sly and always tried to come up with excuses. He was, you could say, very laid back. And I have some of his traits as well. In fact, I think I'm a mix between the two.
I can definitely agree with that. Do you miss them?
Yes, I do. But I'm sure others will keep me company here as well.
Well, I'll try, but I'll have to work hard to try and keep you in order.
We'll see about that.
And who are you?
Montague's name. On the new engine.
Is it me, or do I detect a Ward O'Brien?
Oh, it will be fun to order him about.